Studies have actually shown that 67% of students are not able to tell the difference between an ad and a news article. So students are so easily persuaded now. People will just believe anything, and this is becoming a big problem. Now, how does that tie in with literacy? Well, literacy promotes what we call critical thinking skills. So when you read, critical thinking skills are the ability to analyze, to evaluate, to make inferences. That means to make an educated guess about something that may not be obvious. And those are all skills that could be called critical thinking skills. And so when people read and they use those skills, they become critical thinkers. So even if you have something that you see, on TV or that you hear, if you have read a lot, then that will help you to know what is real and what is disinformation. To distinguish between the two. And there's actually a study that was done on college students in Pakistan that actually found that critical reading, in other words, doing things like making analysis and reading and evaluating, it was correlated with critical thinking skills. And of course, this totally makes sense because when you practice something, it ends up happening. So you practice reading and you end up thinking. Now, what was interesting about this study was it also found that the attitude towards critical thinking actually affected students' ability to think critically. So in other words, if students thought that it was important to be able to have these skills, to analyze, to evaluate, to make judgments, draw conclusions, all of these things, then they were more likely to do that.